Lessons we can learn from Eid. Eid, whether Eid Al Fitr or Eid Al-Adha, teaches valuable lessons beyond celebration. It reminds us to thank Allah for His blessings, especially after fasting or sacrificing. Muslims say takbir to glorify Allah and express gratitude. Eid brings families and communities together, strengthening bonds through shared meals and prayers. Visiting relatives and friends reminds us of the importance of maintaining relationships. Before Eid al-Fitr, Muslims give Zakat al-Fitr to help the less fortunate, ensuring everyone can celebrate. Eid al-Adha emphasizes sacrifice and generosity, as Muslims share meat with the needy. Eid al-Adha teaches the importance of obedience, as Prophet Ibrahim was willing to sacrifice his son for Allah's command. It reminds Muslims that true faith means trusting and submitting to Allah's will. Islam encourages happiness and permissible enjoyment, but within moderation. Eid celebrations should focus on worship, kindness, and reflection, not excess and extravagance. Eid is a time to mend broken relationships by seeking forgiveness and reconciling with others. Greeting one another with Eid Mubarak and visiting friends fosters unity and peace. Eid serves as a fresh start, motivating Muslims to continue the good habits developed in Ramadan. It reminds us that worship and righteousness should not end with Ramadan, but continue throughout the year. Eid is more than just a festival. It is a time of gratitude, charity, unity, and spiritual renewal. It teaches Muslims to appreciate Allah's blessings, care for others, and strengthen their faith. What lesson do you learn from Eid? Tell us in the comments section. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. See you soon in another episode.